Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my brow routine. It's not really a routine. I'm just going to show you how I shape my brows and do them at home because I don't trust anybody touching my brows. I had one bad experience and never again. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. So how I know when my brows really need to be done is when I fill them in and they look like this, like caterpillars. They don't look like sisters. They look too thick, especially this one. It's just like not a cute look. So we're gonna fix it. So first, I'm just gonna wipe off the makeup off my brows. Usually I do this when I have already not been wearing makeup for the day, so this step would not be a step. Okay, so once all of the makeup is off of my brows, I'm gonna take the spoolie part of my brow pencil and I'm going to just comb my brow hairs up. And then I'll like shape them how I want them. Okay, so this one has a little bit better of a shape of what I already want. This one needs a lot of work. So I have this little razor. I think I got it from like Walmart. And it's basically just like a tiny electric razor. It has like a thicker side and a smaller side, and you turn it on and that's how it works. I normally do this in my bathroom because I have a nice big mirror, but for the sake of filming we're just gonna use this tiny little compact. Okay, so we're gonna start with this one, and I actually start higher than I think you can't see where I'm starting. Okay, so I would start like here and go up and then slowly work my way down because I don't want to start too close to my brow and then take too much, because you can always take more but you cannot put some back. At that point you're doomed. So I'll sit on my side so you can kind of see what I mean. And this razor is so gentle that like you don't have to worry about cutting yourself with it. Then I'll go from the bottom. And then as I make my way a little bit closer to the arch, I'll use the smaller side of the razor just so I don't accidentally cut the tail. Make sure to take your time when doing it and like adjust, recomb through them just so you can kind of see where you're at. So once I take a little bit off, I'm just gonna recomb, just kind of see where I'm at. Okay, so it's starting to have a bit more of a shape. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean the middle now. And I'll make sure that my brows don't go like further in past the corner of my eye. I'll make sure that it lines up sort of the same way you would do it if you were filling in your brows. You can just use your pencil as your guide to see the start of your brow, the arch of your brow, and the tail. Again, I'll flip to the smaller side when I get closer to the brow head. Okay, so as you can see, I did the one brow, and obviously it's not looking perfect because I don't have it drawn in, but when I do go to draw it in next time, it's gonna look way better because it just won't be crazy bushy caterpillar brows. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one real quick. Super simple, and that's literally all I will do. Basically my goal is just to make them look a little bit neater and fix the shape if I need to, But yeah guys, that's how I do my brows. Super simple, super easy. I hope you liked this tutorial. And if you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell. And until next time guys, bye.